Hi, I'm Tyler Vandenberg with Inspired Flight, and today I'm going to be walking you through the pre-flight checklist for the IF1200A. These are the recommendations from Inspired Flight, but always follow your own company's procedures and checklists. While the vehicle is still powered down, first make sure the launch area is secure and personnel are positioned at a safe distance from the aircraft. Next, make sure the handle on the top is lifted, centered, and latched on both sides. Be sure that all 6 arms are lifted and latched in position. Check that the propellers are fully unfolded and straight, rotate freely, and are free of nicks and other damage. Be sure that the antennas are installed and secured on top of the hand controller or telemetry unit. Next, make sure both batteries are firmly plugged in, then it's time to power on the aircraft. We recommend powering on the controller first, so that when the aircraft powers on, there's already a connection there. To power on the HereLink, simply hold the power button and wait for the boot up sequence. If Q ground control isn't already open, click on the purple icon to open it. Now that the hand controller is powered on, power on the vehicle by simply holding the power button for 3 seconds. The audible beeps are coming from the ESCs driving the motors. If you see the motor move slightly, don't be concerned. Now that the vehicle is powered on, make sure the aircraft battery level shown in QGC is above 50%, the ground station battery is above 50%, and the ground station is connected to the aircraft. Make sure the LEDs on both GPS units are flashing green. Make sure there are at least 10 satellites shown in QGC. And make sure the heading and attitude of the aircraft matches the heading and attitude showed in QGC. You can check this by rotating and tilting the aircraft with a second person. Last, make sure loiter flight mode is indicated and you're ready for flight. Now that everything is set up and we've run through the pre-flight checklist, it's time to take off. To take off, hold the left stick down into the center and the vehicle will arm. If you need to disarm, hold the left stick down into the left. Again, we'll arm the vehicle by holding the left stick down into the center for 2 seconds. Increase the throttle to take off. We'll cover takeoff and landing in more detail in another video. Thanks for watching.